To set password for app on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you would like to go into the special features, and as you are here, you will be able to find this app lock right here. So let's go in there, and here's the switch to enable this app lock. So let's press this one, and as you can see, you have to set a privacy password first. In case you previously used any function that requires this privacy password, you will not need to worry about it. But if you're doing it for the first time, you didn't set up a privacy password, let's go for the settings to quickly do this. And to set it up, you will have to enter the privacy password with at least 6 digits, I believe. It has to be at least 6, or you can use a different password type. Oh, as you can see, you can change this password type. It can be 4 digits, 6 digits, from 4 to 16 digits, pattern, or alphanumeric. So set up any of these types which you prefer. I will stay with these 6 digits, and let's set this password right here. Very quick. Alright, and here, just in case, here you can set up the security question, like here are some presets, and you can make your own custom question right here, and here you can enter the answer for this question in case if you forgot the password or anything like this. Alright, press this check mark on the top right corner, and now you have this privacy password set up, you have the app lock set up, and now all you simply have to do is just find the application in all of these apps lists that you'd like to set password for, that you'd like to lock. So let's, for example, lock this calculator application. So right next to this calculator application, you'll have to press the switch to set the app lock for this, app. And here you're being asked if you want to use face or fingerprint unlock for this application. As you can see, it is not necessary. You can choose if you want to or if you don't. So let's actually not use it in this application, but for calendar application, let's, for example, oh no, we don't have to. Alright, so it works for overall for all of these applications. Right here, as you can see, it doesn't work for only particular applications. So now, as we want to go for the calculator application or the calendar application, all you have to do is just insert this pin, and we will not be able to actually unlock it with the face unlock or the fingerprint, as you can see. And yeah, that will be pretty much it. That's how you can set a password for an application on the Realme C71.